Okay guys, here's a video on 2-inch lift leveling kit for Chevy Suburban 2014. So as you can see, the back end has a lot of space in it. It's a Z71, and the front end has not. It's leaning down. So I'm going to put a 2-inch leveling kit on it. Let's see what came in the box. So this is what came in the box from eBay. Ordered it for $18. So same thing for same thing what people are sending for $35. Same thing. So this is it. One of them look a little bit better. As you can see, it just finish is way better, and the other one has some spots on them. Maybe they're welded. That could be bad, but we'll find out. And this is it basically. And these are the bolts that came with the kit. $18, not too bad. So I'm gonna start taking off. This could be a next video. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking off the wheels and see how it goes. Okay, so I got the car jacked up from one side, so I'm thinking of rotating the tires too, putting these ones in the back and this one in the front. So okay guys, to properly do this 2-inch lift kit, you have to, this is it, this is all you need. You need to take off this the sway bar link. Take it all off, all the way off. Take off the upper ball joint, take it all off, totally off. Okay, loosen the top bolts on the strut so you can easily shake it, right? And then the lower ball joint, I loosened it, but I don't think it did anything for me. So not the loose lower ball joint. Take off the upper ball joint, take off the sway bar, loosen up the bolts over here, and the 2 bolts down here on the shock in the end, the strut, the 2 bolts on the end. Take them all off, then put in that lift kit and put the new bolts in, and that's the only way to do it. I spent so much time in it. That's the way to do it. Okay, thank you.